Boom, it's here, finally, after all the waiting. 400mm of pure filth at the 2.8. It's going to set you back 12 bags of sand, but hey, what does it matter? Because you are the man. You're going to have this big donga on the end of your A9 and you're going to love it. So, if you are a pro with an A9, this little beauty is just calling your name. I mean, just look at it. It's filthy. My word. And it's lighter than the Canon or the Nikon. And you can't go wrong with that. Lightness is good. I think you want to get online, have a look at rumours. I'm sure every man and his dog is going to have a release on this, all the usual suspects, so get yourself looking. And what I would be really interested in is seeing one of you lovely guys and girls get one of these beauties. Is that one camera guy gonna pick one up? We ask ourselves. There's only one way to find out. As usual guys, it's been emotional.